see, son, it's going to be a competition. And those maidens will go at lengths to achieve what they want. They will do everything possible to make sure that they catch your eyes. Magic might be involved. So I don't want you to pick any of those maidens. Don't worry. I've taken care of that. I have picked someone that will suit that seat as the queen.
Your father was my father's right-hand man when he was alive. He was a very nice man. So tell me, why did you choose me amongst the men of this kingdom?
Well, my father always told me he wanted me to get married to a prince.
So, do you want to marry me?
What are you doing? Stop this! Thief! Hey! Thief! Thief! Oh, you thief! Look at this thief! Hey! Look! Oh, so you can beg! Hey, you can beg! Look, let me tell you something. I am the owner of this kingdom. The hand of the king. I have right to take justice whenever and wherever I want. And nobody can paralyze me. I am sounding this to you as a last warning. If I dare see you around my daughter again, the whole villagers will sing a farewell song on your corpse. Yes.